Hi children, welcome to computer session data structures. So today's session is about the postfix evaluation using stack operation. So here we have the expression 10, 20 plus 25, 15 minus star 30 slash. So we have 4 columns: symbol, operation, stack and intermediate result. So under the symbol section, that is a column, we actually put in the postfix expression in a sequence one by one, operand and operators together. So now what happens is we are going to see how the stack operation is performed. So first is an operand. So what happens? Operands are pushed in, and when an operator comes in, there is a pop twice, because for an operation or an expression to be evaluated, we need one operator and 2 operands. So when an operator is there, twice pop happens, and then the intermediate result is found. So here what happens is 10 is an operand. So first we push the operand. So push. Inside the stack we have 10 pushed in. Intermediate result is blank. Next comes an operand 20, which is also pushed. So in the stack we have 10 and then 20. So 20 is the top element. Now there is a plus, which is an operator. So now we have to pop twice to perform the operation. So 10 and 20 are popped out. So under the intermediate result we have 10 plus 20, which is 30. That 30 is pushed into the stack. So now there is an operand, so push. So under the stack we have 30 and then 25. Then there is a push because 15 is there, which is an operand. So in the stack we have 30, 25 and the top element is 15 now. Okay, so now comes the pop twice because there is an operator. So what happens? 30 is retained, 15 and 25 are popped out. So the difference is found between 25 and 15, which is equal to 10. So besides the 30, 10 is pushed, and then comes one more operator, which is a star. So we pop twice. So both 30 and 10 are popped out. So 30 star 10, which is equal to 300. Okay, so this 300 is pushed into the stack. Next is a 30, which implies that there is a push. So 300, then 30. So next comes an operator. So we have pop twice. So both 300 and 30 are popped out. So 300 slash 30, which is equal to 10. So that 10 is pushed into the stack. So at the end of the evaluation, we see that the result is 10. Okay, so thus the postfix operation is completed. Let's see one more example, postfix evaluation using stack operation. This expression is a little bit different one. It's a Boolean expression where F and T are the operands, false and true, not, or, and or the operators. So whenever there is an operator, we have a push, pop, and when there is an operand, we have a push. Okay, so only for not it is different, because not will require only one operand. So first is F, which is an operand. So we push. So F is pushed inside the stack. So next is true. Push. So under stack we have F and then a T. T is the top of the element now. So now there is an operator which is not. So we pop once. So F is retained and the top of the stack is T. So it is popped out. So under intermediate result we have not true, which is equal to not true implies false. So what do we do is under stack, after F we have one more F, that is the evaluated intermediate result. Now there is an OR operator, so we pop twice. This requires two operands. So here both F's are popped out, so we have F or F. So both are F's, so it is obvious that the result is also F. So the intermediate result F is pushed in. So next is an operand T, so which is pushed. So next to F we have a T. So once again there is an F which is an operand, so push operation happens. So we have F F T and then one more F. So next is a AND operator, so pop twice. So the first F is retained and under the intermediate result T and F are popped out. So T and F. If there is at least one F, then the AND operation will return only F. Okay, so what happens? The stack retains F. So now there is an OR, so pop twice. So we have both the F's popped out. So under the intermediate result we have F or F, which is equal to F. So that is the result, which is F. So thus the Boolean expression is evaluated using the stack operation. Thank you.